All right, so here we are in our half bath with these fun tiles. And I just started this board and batten project. I wanted this kind of funky wall. In here it's just all gonna be painted white. And yeah, so I basically gotta get a nail gun, nail these pieces in, use some white caulk in the seams, and then paint it all white, and we are good to go. We're thinking, you know, hanging a plant in the corner there gets really good light. I guess I should do one in here maybe.
Press it in. Hair blown back.
I know.
Yeah.
What a crazy tool. It's happening. Going dark. All right, look at this feature. We're putting up an old barn beam at the top.
Just get a piece of wood right now and leave it temporary.
How cool.
So we can do the work and whatever you have.
All right, we're still waiting for our vanity. So this is temporary, but look at the wall. This is the finished product. I'm so happy with it. We painted it this super light gray from Claire Paints, and the color is called Penthouse. And it's actually the same color we're using upstairs in our other bathroom. I wish I could give you a full shot, but the bathroom's so small, so I'm all the way in like the corner against the wall trying to show you. So cool. And I think I could still hang a piece of art here. I'm definitely gonna hang like a plant or a shelf with a plant over here or something like that. So we get nice light in here. Took about 2 days to finish this project. Kimchi's first day in the new house, and he is exploring everything. Hi, buddy. What do you think about the new hardwood floors?
Let's get downstairs, man. Let's go.
Kimchi, I see your little ears. Hey, buddy. Look at you, way up there. You can take the stairs. You don't have to jump. Here he comes. Kimchi's big day. Good boy. Dave, you see his head? So much to explore.
Proper tempo, and then we're both going to get arrested. Fly to the moon,
smelling every last corner. We did it. We went dark and bold, and I don't regret a thing. Look at this beautiful color. It changes throughout the day, and sometimes it looks really blue, sometimes it looks more turquoise. This is work in progress. We can do plants all the way up, and pretty excited. Thanks for watching our latest update. It is a very exciting time right now. It feels like every single day something is coming together. Just getting in these like last finishing touches, plants, pillows, all these things are just really making it feel like home. Not to mention having kimchi home is, it just all is right in the world with kimchi home. Anyway, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next update.